How are we doing? Quick video today about cleaning of intake ports in the diesel engine. This one has nearly 300,000 kilometers, and intake manifold and the ports were really bad. I'll show you quickly. Look like. So that's how it was initially. And that's how we end up after a little bit of cleaning. Now I don't have professional equipment at the moment for that, so I'm using WD-40, bit of brake cleaner, and actually good patent found on YouTube as well. Set of cable ties on a drill. I find it very good. You just need to make sure that each cylinder has the valve closed while you're doing it. Spray a bit of WD-40. Like so. I fill it all the way. Yeah. As you can see, it's all the way full. We'll do the same with the next one. Okay. Leave it sitting like that for a few minutes, and then you just grab your drill and you can clean them like that. Don't go too hard. So after a few minutes of doing that, you'll be able to get them clean to that state. Should be enough. I know there are different methods that are more professional, but if you have no tools for doing so, you can definitely help it by doing that. I hope you find this video useful, so thanks very much.